Hi, I'm Pete Eppel, Marketing Tech at BMR Suspension. Today we're going to show you BMR's new polyurethane motor mounts for the S197 and S550 Mustang, the MM007. Engine mount deflection is wasted horsepower, and BMR Suspension wants you to take that power back with our polyurethane motor mounts for 2005 to 2015 Ford Mustangs. BMR's new motor mounts are far superior to the bulky stock bushings, which are designed for comfort, not performance. BMR manufactures its MM007 polyurethane motor mounts from CNC laser-cut quarter-inch steel plate with aircraft-grade 6061 T6 billet aluminum spacers and 95 durometer polyurethane bushings. This kit is completed with grade 8 hardware. BMR Suspension designed the MM007 to be the perfect motor mount for any power level or application where engine deflection needs to be reduced. The factory motor mounts are designed to dampen engine vibration, giving you the smoothest and most comfortable experience possible. Unfortunately, this does little to limit engine movement. BMR's MM007 polyurethane motor mounts limit engine deflection while isolating much of the engine's vibration from the vehicle's occupants. The reduction in deflection leads to less wasted power as it is transferred to the tires, improving your driving experience on both the street and the track. Less drivetrain movement also means more accurate shifts as you row through the gears. The MM007 weighs over 50% less than the factory engine mounts. They are also height adjustable. Simply remove the aluminum spacers to lower the engine a quarter or a half an inch in the engine bay. This will give increased underhood clearance for a strut tower brace or supercharger and a lower center of gravity for improved handling. For hardcore drag race and road race applications where engine deflection needs to be eliminated, BMR Suspension offers its MM006 solid motor mount upgrade. These black anodized billet aluminum pucks replace the polyurethane bushings, making the MM007 into a solid motor mount. These are designed for max effort applications where NVH is not a concern. For more information on the MM007 or any other BMR suspension parts for S197 and S550 Mustang, visit bmrsuspension.com or give us a call. Also, be sure to check us out on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.